Evidencia video de presentación A1 Evaluación 4. Aprendiz Ana Gabriela Villotabela. Servicio Nacional de Aprendizaje. Código de Programa de Formación 51240087. Y Introduce You to Me, My Sister. Her name is Carol Tatiana Jacome Vela. Carol is 8 years old. Her birthday is December 30. My sister is from Ipiales, Nariño. Carol is currently in second grade. Her dream when she grows up is to be a painter or a police force. Carol hobbies. In his free time, Carol plays guitar. In his free time, my sister likes to play with stuffed animals, dolls, and her bicycle. Carol daily activities. Carol goes to school during the week from 7:30 to 2:30 p.m. Whenever my sister gets home from school, she does her homework and then plays with dolls. Carol eats dinner at 7 p.m., brushes her teeth and goes to bed. Thank you.